Come on, Nash. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Get that Batman, Nash. Get that Batman, Nash. Come on, Nash. Come on, Nash. Go. Come on, Nash. Get that Batman. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get on the ground. You're going to get run over by the horse. Put your hands in your pocket. Get your hands out of your pocket.
Under Florida Statute 893.13, delivery of a controlled substance is a third-degree felony, up to 5 years per transaction. Neither suspect was charged with it. The thrown item was never recovered. No evidence. No chain of custody. No prosecution. The felony charge died on the pavement.
Nash, move forward. Hey! Hey, come on. Hey! Come on. Get him, Nash. Get that Batman. Get that Batman, Nash. Get him. Get him, Nash. Hey, get on the ground. You're going to get run over. Come on, Nash. Come on, Nash. Get him, boy. You better stop. You're going to get hit. Come on, Nash. Come on. Come on. Come on, Nash. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Get that Batman, Nash. Get that Batman, Nash. Come on, Nash. Come on, Nash. Go. Come on, Nash. Get that Batman. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get on the ground. You're going to get run over by the horse. Put your hands in your pocket. Get your hands out of your pocket. Get on the ground. Come on, Nash. Come on. He just threw his head. Come on. Come on. Come on. Nash, come on. Get that man. Come on. Come on. Come on, Nash. Come on, Bubba. Come on, Nash. Bro, you're not going to be able to run us on the horse. You better stop. Watch it. Get on the ground! Get on the f***ing ground! Give me Zach. I got him. I got him, Zach. You're good. I got him. I got him. Zach, let go. I got him. Give me, or here, take. Told you were gonna outrun us, bro.
Running created a second case, one that needed no physical evidence at all. Florida Statute 843.02, resisting an officer without violence. First-degree misdemeanor, up to 1 year. 3 elements: lawful stop, suspect flees, officers witness it. Bodycam documented all 3 in real time. He discarded the drugs. He kept the charge. The mounted pursuit triggers Graham versus Connor, 490 United States, 386, decided in 1989. Force is evaluated on objective reasonableness at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. Fleeing suspect, active disposal of contraband. Mounted pursuit is proportionate. That holds up. The run him over command is on camera. Under Graham, force must match the threat level at that moment. A fleeing misdemeanor suspect is a lower threshold. Not acted upon, but documented. A training flag, not a crime. Jordan resisting without violence. No contest plea. Adjudicated guilty. $303. Conviction on record. Alexis, Florida Statute 893.147. Drug paraphernalia possession. Crack pipe. No contest plea. Judge issued a withhold of adjudication. Plea accepted. No formal conviction entered. $303.
Those are good boys. Good boys. That was where it was at, right? When we came into McDonald's?
Yeah, it's on the other side. You want to stay with him? I'm going to go because I saw right where it was at.
Go, yeah, go with him.
They started out over there. I saw the horses and then came down the sidewalk here by the fence line and then came through like where the sign is over here and then trotted through right here. Came right through here. Right through, and they were like, stop, stop! And then they called it in at the McDonald's.
Did you see her throwing anything?
I just saw arms flailing, that's it.
Come on. Yeah. You got him for a minute?
I got it for now.
I'm gonna go look where he was throwing stuff. Nash. Got that bad man. It was a good job, Bubba. Good boy. It was a good boy. Should be like right here somewhere.
Where did he dump the 73?
They're gonna grab that stuff right now.
It was somewhere like right here. He started throwing stuff out his pocket. So you just get out and walk around. It was like small is the problem.
Yeah, I know.
It wasn't a lot.
Is that your bag right here?
Let me go grab some gloves. Hang on.
Good job on the radio, bro. It's really good. Really good.
You got a beautiful ride there.
Thanks. Thanks.
Hey, ma'am, how you doing? Hey, good. Stand up for me. Turn around. Yeah, turn around. All right.
Am I under arrest?
Well, you're being detained right now, yeah.
For what?
Well,
Narcotics.
Possession of narcotics.
I said potential narcotics.
What did I do?
well, you're being detained right now, so. You have anything in?
No.
No? No weapons or anything? Come on over here to my car.
Come talk to me. I'm not gonna beat around the bush. They want you to trespass from here because you go in the bathroom and do whatever you do. I don't have time to deal with that right now, okay? See all this? Yes. We got stuff going on. So hey, you want me to go grab you something to drink?
Yes.
Just wait out here. Just wait outside right here. I'm gonna grab you something, okay?
So it looks like, I guess, this lady I have in my backseat, I guess she did a hand-to-hand with someone over there, 13. They tried to stop him, and he 10-8'd.
The guy 10-8?
Yeah, guy 10-8'd. And I think they got him over there at like the Burger King, maybe.
Okay.
Or the McDonald's.
She got it or she gave it?
I think she gave it. So I've just got her. I'm going to get her name and everything, but I think they're all down there. All right, ma'am. Not saying that you're under arrest and you're going to be arrested, but you're just not free to go right now. You laughing or what? Or was that a cough?
I'm just laughing.
You're laughing? Okay, what you laughing about?
I just thought of a joke in my brain.
Okay.
We'll search him and I'll throw him in my car.
All right. Hold on. What the hell is in that bag right there?
Oh, just food.
Food and what?
Chips.
Chips. Somebody Miranda's?
Not yet.
I ain't done that.
Okay.
I don't know. All right, come on, step on up, bud. You got anything in your pockets I need to know about? What's your name, man? Joe, when was the last time you were arrested, buddy?
Got out like 4 months ago.
What was you in there for?
For possession.
That's what I thought. Come on, let's go.
But I ain't made no possession today.
Yeah, I know. You had possession last time, but not this time.
What's your name again, brother? Oh, you're swapping the cuffs?
Yeah. You're not going to fight with me, are you? That wouldn't be good because this guy right here, man, he's...
Yeah, we don't want those problems. Gotta stay out of trouble, man.
No, I ain't do nothing.
Okay.
They just started chasing me and I ran like I got scared.
All right, have a seat. All right, listen, you have the right to remain silent. With that said, do you want to tell, you said you didn't throw some drugs down. Do you want to talk to me about that? That you didn't throw drugs down?
No, I ain't throwing no drugs down.
Okay.
These are yours, right?
Thank you, sir.
Where do you think he...
So I saw him throwing the stuff literally right in that corner of the McDonald's over there.
Yeah, he threw this.
Was there anything in
Yeah, just sandwich and
I saw him.
I was just running.
Well, what did you throw down? I mean, because maybe worst case scenario, we got littering or something. Who knows? What did you throw down? Just a sandwich or food or what? Listen, here's the deal. You're going to be on body camera throwing stuff down. So what was it? Is it food? Did you get some food from somewhere? Or because you have food in that bag?
No, I just got scared. I started.
Yeah. Okay. Because their body cams are going to show you throwing stuff, dude. You might as well say, hey, if it's food or something, we can deal with that. We got your little littering thing, right? Oh, okay. All right, slide on in. Hang tight. That man said he didn't throw nothing. Y'all a bunch of liars.
Oh yeah. She's watching her body camera right now to see if she can get a better.
All right.
When you put in, I guess when you hook your camera to it, I guess it makes you put in an access code. And of course, it sent it to my personal email. But our laptop's not working, of course. It won't connect to the internet. And then on my phone, it didn't work. So I swear by memory it was right here. Someone could have picked it up, or it's in the bushes. It was very small what he threw. A car could have ran it over by now. The girl he handed off to, though, if they can get it off her, that's great. If not, I guess just jail for resisting. I don't know.
All right, ma'am, come on, step on out. This officer right here is gonna search it real quick.
I guess cameras, the dude can't be here for another hour, 2 hours before he can get here to access the cameras. So.
You think he dumped something before here too?
Yeah, I think it was all right there in that McDonald's.
Hey man, I'm gonna toss this out. Is that cool? I'm gonna throw it away. You can't take this into jail, is what I'm saying.
If you end up going to jail, we're gonna throw it in the trash. You can't have it in jail, and we can't keep it for you. We don't have any other choice.
Yeah, all right. So I'm gonna throw it out, okay?
I hate that our laptop won't work.
I've got everything's done. I got the cursor between two lines. If you just want to knock out a real quick narrative.
Yeah, I can. Are you comfortable holding him?
That's fine.
Okay.
He's bigger than me, but I think he'll be all right.
If he tries to eat the grass or pull back to them, just, yeah. Okay. And just watch your feet.
That's a good horse. That's a good horse. Hey, look here for a selfie. Yeah.
Oh, that's not a horse.
A police horse.
Do you know how to ride a horse, Dad?
Yeah, I've ridden horses. I'm not saying I'm an expert, but I've got one right here.
He's
See?
like, I can
And he's a
probably
good
get on
horse.
it and not fall off immediately.
Yeah. Oh, you're funny. That's not nice, Mary. See? They even, this one don't have. They actually normally have badges right there on their chest. There's one right here. My daughter's a horse freak, so we're FaceTiming. See, they got their own badges too.
Did they catch the guy?
Yeah, they're on a horse. How are they not going to catch him? He was on foot.
What are these people down there thinking when you come at them, galloping on a horse?
You use the word thinking. There's your first mistake. See? He's even laughing at you. All right, well, let me let you go. I actually have to do some work today. Love y'all. Bye, buddy.
You don't have anything else on you, do you? Can't have nothing on her but a crack pipe. We can go back and look at that area. Yeah, let's do that if you guys don't mind. They're gonna go check one more time at that spot, and if not, then you got a crack pipe. And was she resisting? No? No? Okay. I would love for them to be able to find it.
Grades. Mounted Unit Grade A. Witnessed exchange, immediate pursuit, repeated verbal warnings. Under Graham, totality of circumstances justifies every decision here. Exception. The run him over command. Documented, not acted upon. Still a training issue. Jordan Grade D. Florida 843.02 is a standalone charge. Flight from a lawful stop is an offense independent of the original. He eliminated the felony. He guaranteed the misdemeanor. Bodycam made the case airtight before he hit the ground. The right to remain silent includes the right to remain still. Alexis Grade C. Under Florida 893.147, possession of paraphernalia requires only that the item be found on her person. Intent is inferred from possession. Cooperation likely drove the withhold rather than a conviction. No conviction on record. That is not nothing. Lesson learned. 1. Flight is not a strategy. It is a new offense. Under Florida 843.02, you commit a crime the moment you run. 2. Discarding evidence shifts the charge. It does not end it. The felony disappeared. The misdemeanor was already locked. 3. Demeanor at detention affects adjudication outcome. Same event, different conduct, different legal results. The Fifth Amendment right to remain silent applies. At every stage, including the moment before you run. Outrun. If this was useful, subscribe. We post every week. Drop a comment. Should the run him over command have carried legal consequences for the officer? See you in the next one.